Never use Vaseline like this. Vaseline, it's a household staple. We use it for dry skin, chapped lips, and even minor cuts. But did you know there are some uses that could lead to unexpected disasters? Today, we're diving into the top things you should never do with Vaseline. Number 1. Never use Vaseline as a substitute for cooking oil. Not only is it not edible, but it can also create a sticky, smoky mess and potentially ruin your cookware. Seriously, just use regular oil. Number 2. Never, and I mean never, use Vaseline as hair gel unless you want to look like a grease ball. Once it's in your hair, it's nearly impossible to get out without a thorough shampoo marathon. Trust me, not worth it. Number 3. Don't use Vaseline as a sunscreen replacement. Vaseline does not have SPF. In fact, it can make things worse by intensifying the sun's rays. You'll end up with a painful burn. Ouch! Number 4. Don't use Vaseline to lubricate electronics. Vaseline is not designed for electronics and can cause serious damage. Stick to proper lubricants like silicone spray. And finally, never use Vaseline on your pets without consulting a vet. While Vaseline is generally non-toxic, ingesting too much can upset your pet's stomach. Always ask a vet before applying anything to your furry friends. So, there you have it, the top 5 ways you should never use Vaseline. While it's a versatile product, using it the wrong way can lead to some serious trouble. Stay safe, stay smart, and as always, use Vaseline responsibly.